A combined team of Bishnupur District Police Commando, a column of 5 Sikh Regiment and 2 sections of SSB recovered deposit of arms and ammunition following a seer operation early conducted morning today from Bishnupur District. The cordon and search operation was carried out under the supervision of the SP Bishnupur District. Police said at around 5:30 a.m. based on a specific input and corroborated by 5 Sikh Regiment about the movement of the miscreant and caching of explosives, arms and ammunition in the general area foothills in the south of Sadhu Nepali Basti between Laimanai Road and Khoichara Nala under Loktak Police Station. The combined team rushed to the area and conducted cordon and search operation. Some suspected areas were cordoned from 6 a.m. and search started, police said. In the operation, the combined team recovered arms and explosives from the foothills south of Sadhu Nepali Basti, including a carbine, 1 MK2 stand with 1 magazine and anti-riot gun, a local med 303 rifle, 1 country-made 9mm with 1 empty magazine, 6 number of tear gas smoke shells, 3 grenade launching tube, 14 numbers of hand grenade, 11 live rounds of 5.56 millimeter, 7.62 mm cartridge rounds, 5 grenade launching ring and a bulletproof jacket. A case has been taken up at Loktak Police Station for further investigation.